This is the Webb hand-push 33cm battery-powered mower. My name's Adam Woolcott. I'm an award-winning gardener, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this product. This is everything you'll find in the box. Firstly, the handles, the battery, the charger, the main machine, the safety key, the fasteners, the grass collection box and handle, and very importantly, the instruction manual that you should read thoroughly before constructing or using the machine. Firstly, we're going to attach the grass box handle. Locate the lugs at the bottom of the handle into the holes, then press the top of the handle into the grooves until you hear a click. We're now going to insert the lower handles into the lawnmower. Position into the holes as so, press, push down, press, push down. The handles are now firmly in place. We're now going to attach the top handles to the lower handles on the lawnmower by inserting the long screw through the side and then attaching the fastener and screwing tight to the side of the handle. We're now going to connect the grass collection box to the lawnmower. Now we're going to lift the waterproof hood to the battery compartment and drop the battery into place. Now we've assembled the machine and there's nothing else to assemble, it's time to put in the safety key. Once we've plugged in the safety key, we can now use the machine. Once you've removed that, you can't start the machine, so that's a great safety feature. Now we're going to attach the charger to the battery very simply by sliding into position, and then to release the battery, press the red button, pull away. It takes about 3 hours to charge the battery and you're going to get up to 35 minutes runtime. We're now going to talk you through the fantastic features of this lawnmower. First of all, a nice fold down handle so you can store this in the smallest spaces or get it into the boot of your car very easily. 35-litre collection box on this as well with a mesh bag so you get great airflow and all the grass thrown right to the back of the grass box, really filling that grass box up. Also, one lever height adjustment on here as well. That means you can take the height of this cut from 25mm to 65mm. There's a steel blade on here as well, which is absolutely fantastic for tougher grass, and also a great handle for transporting the mower, whether it's taking it into the shed or garage or lifting it into the back of the car. When we open up the waterproof hood, we find a safety key. Once this is removed, you cannot start the lawnmower. Inside, we're going to remove the battery. This is a 4 amp hour battery, giving you that great run time. And also remember with this is a cordless machine, so you can take this lawnmower wherever you want it to be, and you can use this across the full range of Webb cordless products. Also, this is great for the environment because you've got no emissions. All you've got is a fantastic mower giving you great performance for many years. This is one of many of our Webb garden power products. For any questions, please leave a comment below or please subscribe for more gardening tips.